Hello everyone, this is Nitin here. So I hope you are doing good and making a lot of art, and you are doing a lot of progress with your watercolor art journey. I'm going to demonstrate one of the cityscape, the scene which is inspired from the New York City. It's a kind of a building and kind of a street, and there are few vehicle just going across. So that's the kind of the story we have for this tutorial, and I'm sure that you will have a fantastic time going through this video. So let's go ahead and make a the sketch first. So as I do most of the time, my paper, I used to compose my paper. So how I do it is I just wanted to make sure that my surface has to be till here, this way. So thing is like a car and some human are actually will be here, and above this I want to make my building to be to be composed. So that's the kind of thing we wanted to have. So let's go ahead. I'm just going to make this as this and this. So it's a kind of a the perspective, and here we have the another building. So this is the kind of the skeleton of our perspective. So now let's see like how does it actually works. So another one is this, right? So my first building will be just this one. There is a lot of line, but don't worry about it. So as long as you're not very much happy with your outline, just keep doing that. There is nothing wrong in it. And that's the another building here. Just after this building there is another building. Okay, and that's the another building. And we have one more building. You can refer the image so you'll have a better idea what I am making. Okay, and this is the another different building, and there are some windows and all that we will work later. And that is a gate, the main entrance of this building. And here we have some more. So these are the windows of this structure, right? And we have windows here. Okay, so thing is like even if you don't want to give too much of detail at this moment, that's okay. You can do it when you paint. Okay, and there is a little structural architecture in this building, so that we just kind of direction, and these all are going to be our windows, and here also those window. So we have a 1 2 3 4 level of. So this is it. So this is, we have our sketch ready, and now we will go for the color of the first was. If you want to support me and my art, and if you want to see yourself receiving a lot of watercolor tutorial every week, then please go ahead and take a subscription of my Patreon membership. It's just about $5 a month, which is incredible, isn't it? But yes, it's a beautiful way to support an artist. So thank you so much, everyone. You can also check my skill set classes in video description. I've given the link. So let me introduce my color palette. I'm using ultramarine blue, sap green, yellow ochre, burnt sienna, orange, sepia, and red. So this is the all of these color I'll be using for this painting, and some of those mixing together and making the pigments. So let's go ahead. So what I'm going to do is I'm just taking a little bit of ultramarine blue, very soft color, a lot of water, and just pouring here for sky. And now for this building, I'm taking a little bit of burnt sienna, mixing with yellow ochre, and just pouring color. So even if this color is getting merged with this, don't worry about that. That's pretty much fine. And now again the same color, burnt sienna, and a little bit of ultramarine blue. And just pour it here. So basically this is also our sky, so we just making it complete one. So basically the source of the light will be from this side, so this will be a slightly lighter, so we can just put it just a little bit of work here and there. This burnt sienna, very contrast color for this building. Now we are just leaving a little bit of white here and there, because we wanted to leave some of the thing. And these are the car. So we wanted to make this as a first layer. and we are just leaving this place. Now we have to work on this car, so I'm using this is the yellow car, so I'm using this yellow pigment. And I'm leaving this for the headlight of this car. Let it dry and do not work until unless it's completely you don't find any moisture in the paper. It's getting ready in a upper side, but wait for a moment and let it dry completely and then go for the second layer. So this is the time where we can go ahead with the second layer, right? So let's go ahead. We'll be starting working on these building, and as I said, the source of light is from this side, so most of the thing, most of the building part will be a little lighter. So somewhere here and there, just leave that like a window and all that. And if you want, just give a little more depth. And just little detail here and there. A lot of water in my brush right now. I'm just giving some bit of shades here and there. That's all. Nothing much. And if you want, you can just put a little water top, so it gives a very nice texture to the vehicle. To bring little interest, and don't hesitate that things will be spoiled or anything. Just do that and just see what is coming. Now we will be working on these people here. So there are a lot of people just just going to their destiny or whatever. So it's kind of carrot people. Have you seen my video, my recent video, how to make the carrot people? So it's kind of the same impression. So I'm just using a different color because the people are wearing different color and something like that. So we need to bring that, all of those. And just below this, make that a little darker like this, and the shades. Okay. It's almost no water in my brush. I'm just making head of people here. No, just some bit of depth. Scar. I'm just again taking this color, this orange, and I'm making head. So yes, we got this. We try to make it, not to work much. Once you start doing this, you'll just keep going and going, and ultimately you'll be finding something like this. The most important, the advice what I can give you is, when you paint, just don't limit yourself. Just say like, okay, it's a process. I'm going to learn. If things are not working fine, then it's okay. That's pretty much normal. But after a certain time, definitely things will turn out good for you. The only thing is like, you should keep making art, and that's the key, right? So keep making that, and you'll see things are working fine for you. I really want to say thank you for supporting my art, and I hope these tutorials are really helping you. So please do let me know. Please do let me know your comment and suggestion. How did you like this? That will really help for me. So thank you, and stay safe. Enjoy your time.